Well, we knew it was coming, but we just didn't know when. And finally, they started taking down the Surfside Beach while water and wheels. What's happening, everybody? It's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're at Wild Water and Wheels. This was a favorite to many people. But now it appears it's a thing of the past. So what we'll do is we'll just take a little walk around the perimeter and see what it looks like from the sky. There's your swimming pool. Slides are gone. Another water park taken away. And apparently, this lot is for sale. 9 acres, and they will subdivide. So we got out on this side to get a look at it. I know our kids had a lot of fun at this water park on that one big slide. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching. Down here so I can see a little bit. Oh yeah. And there's that wipeout wave pool. Look at that. This is where that big slide was, look. So many children remember this, love this, and now they're adults, and it's over with. Another water park demolished.
And there's another story I have about the water park. My sister brought her daughter shopping over here at the flea market, and Tristan was about 2 years old and saw me out of 2,000 or more people over there at the water slide. Started hollering, "Nee, nee, nee, nee." Well, sure enough, I heard her little voice and she had to come join us. Ain't that something? Out of all those people.
Now let's get an aerial view and see what it looks like from the sky.